Yo, what's up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can download CapCut on iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so you guys can follow it. And for those people who do not know, CapCut looks like this over here, and you can easily download it from your Play Store and App Store. And it's basically a video editing software for mobile phones, and a lot of people use it. It's pretty famous. It's mostly used to like edit TikTok videos and stuff. Most people find editing TikTok videos in CapCut easy, so they use it. But anyways, and CapCut also allows you to post videos in TikTok without their watermark. But if you do not post it in TikTok, then the watermark is going to be shown. Just remember that. All right, now let me show you guys how you guys can download it. But before that, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. Now let's move on. First step, you want to go to your app store, because in iPhone you can only download apps through App Store. All right, you can also download through browser, but only limited amount. All right, in App Store, any app you see, you can download it. All right, you can go and versus search over here, and at the top what you want to write is CapCut. Once you search for CapCut, your CapCut is going to be shown. So since I've already downloaded, it says open, but if I had to download it, there was going to be a get button. Once I click on get button, iPhone is going to ask me to verify if I'm the owner of this phone or not. And in order to do that, you need to enter the password of your Apple ID or face verify yourself. Once you do that, your CapCut will start to download. Once it downloads, it's going to install. Once it installs, you can just click on it, it'll open. So that's basically how we guys can download and install and run CapCut on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.